about how to use intellij. As I said before, MySQL is the database what we are using here. Whereas to connect our Java program to MySQL database, I'm going to use a IDE, Integrated Development Environment, that is IntelliJ IDEA. So here we have the IntelliJ. So I'm going to show you how to create a new project in IntelliJ. So as you see here, you can simply type out IntelliJ in your search menu, such that IntelliJ IDEA will be represented like this. You can see it like this. So IntelliJ IDEA. So I'm double clicking it such that I'm going to open a window here. So this is the screen of IntelliJ. So if you want to create a new project here, go to File, New, and followed by a new project. You can name the project with your own name, or you can use your register number to save this project. So you can create a project here. So I'm showing you a project which is already created by me, and also I have taken two programs to explain you how to connect our Java program to MySQL. So they were pre-written programs. So I'm going to simply say how these programs are written, how to create a new Java file or new Java class into this particular project. So let me show you. So initially, if I have already selected a project, so simply go to new project and you can select a new project here. Or if you have an existing project, if you want to create a Java class, just go to new and then Java class. So you have to name the Java class prior. So such that I'm going to give it a demo4.java extension. So this is the Java 4 file that I have created. But at present we are going to learn about how to connect our Java program to database. So this is our program what we have discussed in the lab previously, but I'm going to explain you once again. This is my Java class CC where I have a public static void main represented. So we have here the URL address of my MySQL where actually it is located. So I have shown you in MySQL database how to create a database. So this is the recently created database demo 3, and this user and password, root and root are the username and password. So I have given them as string representations. So I have a connection con followed by driver manager.get connection. I'm going to give in 3 arguments here. One is URL, second one is username, and third one is the password. These credentials are stored as strings prior to try block. Okay, followed by we have this system.out.println and printed connected successfully. Followed by I have created a statement object reference which is going to take in create statement, the calling of the create statement upon the connection object. So this is the simple program to connect our. I'm going to show you how this program is going to compile and debug and run. So before proceeding, I want to make a note of how to proceed with adding external jar files to this particular project. So observe the pattern here. So I'm going to go to this icons here and go to project structure, file, project structure. Do remember, I have said to you that previously that we need to add some drivers to this particular Java file such that you need some compatibility to connect your Java program to MySQL database. So to provide that compatibility, we are going to use or add that jar files, external jar files to this particular project. So that is mandatory and very important. So follow. So in file, go to project structure. Okay, project structure. In project structure, you can see project and modules. Click on modules. Okay, after clicking on modules, check here, come to your add here. So here add, we are going to add the jars or directories. Click on jar, jars or directories. So as I said before, I have already previously downloaded the MySQL connector jar file. You can see the type of the file, executable jar file. So I'm going to simply select this particular file which is already downloaded into my downloads. So I'm going to select it and open. So I have opened it. So finally I'm going to click apply and OK. So apply and OK. As you see the pattern here, the structure of the files here. In SRC we have this Java files. This is cc.java, the class name of my program, Java program, which I am going to connect to my MySQL. So cc. So here cc, you can see external libraries. Here you can see, if you see, you can see MySQL connector j9.7.0.jar file. So if you can see this particular file added here, then only your program is going to get connected to MySQL database. So these are the driver files that are mandatorily required to connect your Java file. So I'm going to proceed with the debugging process. So I'm going to use this icon here, debug, the cc file, the cc class here. So remember, the name of the database demo3, it should be clearly mentioned here along with the port number with an extension of /. Okay, so if I simply debug it and followed by, I'm going to run this particular class here. So I'm going to run this class here. So successfully connected successfully. So I have connected this particular Java program to MySQL database. So this is the procedure to connect your program.